Pre-flight preparations. To charge the drone battery, connect the drone battery to the charging cable. The indicator light turns blinking during charging and turns solid when the charging completes. Insert 4 batteries not included into the remote controller. To assemble the drone battery, insert the battery into the battery compartment and connect the battery with socket. Then refit the battery compartment cover. Hold the drone on level ground. Fly the drone in outdoor spacious environment. Power on the drone at remote controller. Turn on the GPS switch and wait until the 3 indicator lights off, indicating the pairing has been successful. Calibrate the compass. Press the calibration button and wait until the calibration button blinks. Control the drone to roll in its blade shape for 3 circles. Add a clear sound of beep with indicator light off. The process of calibration has been successful. After the calibration has been completed, enter the App Store on your phone, download and install the software. Navigate to the phone settings, click the Wi-Fi network of the drone, and connect your phone with the drone's Wi-Fi. Fix your phone onto the phone holder as to free your hands and simultaneously see the images and videos when the drone is shooting footages. When the GPS light turns solid, which indicates the GPS signal has been successfully searched, you can unlock the drone and start a trial flight. Flight control. Ascent. Descent. Forward. Backward. Left sideward. Right sideward. Turn left. Turn right. Turn on the one-key follow mode. The drone will position the coordinate of your phone and follow it and take footages. Feel free to switch between low and fast speed modes to meet your own demand. Press the one-key return button. The drone would return to home point automatically. Adjust the servo scale of the camera lens as to take aerial photography from multiple angles. Press the photo, video button to start shooting images from a bird-eye view. Replace the propellers with A and B correctly matched separately. In flight. Feel free, JJRC drones.